In this video, I will show you how to fix authentication error in Pokémon TCG Pocket. So if you are trying to play Pokémon TCG Pocket and you keep getting an authentication error like this, then what you're actually going to need to do is try unlinking and relinking your account. To do this, once you're logged into Pokémon TCG Pocket, what you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner, press onto the three bars to open up this menu, and then come down and press onto Other at the bottom. Next, what you want to do is press onto Account. So as you can see in my case, I've currently got my Google account linked. So you actually want to try linking a different platform, for example, like an Apple account or your Nintendo account, and that should fix the authentication error. So if you've tried that but you're still getting the authentication error, the next thing I would recommend doing is uninstalling and reinstalling the app onto your device. So what you want to do is press and long hold onto the app itself. Make sure before you do this you have saved your data, but what you want to do is press and long hold onto the app itself to bring up this menu and then press onto remove app. At this point what you want to do is delete the app and re-download that from the App Store or of course the Play Store if you're on an Android device. If you have reinstalled the app but you're still getting the authentication error, the final thing you're going to want to do is get into contact with support. To do this, open up Pokémon TCG Pocket and come back down to the bottom right hand corner, press onto the three lines to open up this menu, and then press onto Other at the bottom. Now on this screen you're going to see the option for customer support, so you can give this a press, and this is going to take you to the Pokémon TCG Pocket's support website. From this page, what you want to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom and you're going to see an option to contact us. So all you want to do is give that a press, and then you can go ahead and fill in this form, send that through to the Pokémon TCG Pocket support team, and they're going to go ahead and look into that further for you and hopefully resolve your problem with the authentication error. So that is how to fix authentication error in Pokémon TCG Pocket. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.